Marketing mission statements. What's their purpose? The most important thing to understand with a marketing mission statement, and this is a little bit different to a marketing headline, although we'll use the same techniques to create both, is it tends to be a statement. It tends to be a very clear description of what you do to a niche targeted client. It communicates the core mission, the core marketing thrust of your business, and it aligns the company values with clients' buying needs. And this is really, really important, and we're going to go into this in much greater depth. They provide the foundational statement for the marketing of a business. They help you establish your identity in a very quick 3-second burst. And it clearly communicates to a client what you will do for them. Marketing mission statements. So what's the difference between a marketing mission statement and a marketing headline? A marketing mission statement is a very distinct, clear description and communication of what you do to a client, and it tends to lead the marketing. It tends to be the foundation, whereas a marketing headline is a lot looser and can be used in many, many different ways. So a marketing headline can be used in AdWord copy, it can be used on a blog post as a title, it can be used in a social post. It's much more versatile, but maybe not so targeted. Whereas a marketing mission statement is an actual statement of the company's marketing objective.